Up guys, good morning. This is Captain A3A coming to you live and direct from the airport lounge. This morning I have Air Force One Boeing VC25A 747-200B. And the scale 1/200 by Skymarks. This aircraft is President Donald Trump's personal aircraft that he flies on. Now, I'm gonna give you a tour of the aircraft, but first, Mitch HD has reviewed this aircraft by Gemini Jets, and 777 Die Hard Forever has featured this aircraft as well. Now, I'm going to feature it courtesy of Skymarks. The stack ports, PO tubes, the cockpit windshield, and windshield wipers. Things about Air Force One is classified. There you see the one door right there, right behind the cockpit, and the L1 door, which allows for President Trump and his family to disembark once they arrive at their location. United States of America. The 4 Pratt & Whitney turbofan engines, and the registration of this aircraft, SAM 28,000. I'll bring you along the wings of Air Force One, and you're staring up towards the front of the aircraft. The symbol, the U.S. Air Force symbol, the American flag right there. Air Force One goes under the Boeing designation G4. There you see the APU, tailplanes. I'm going to bring you over onto the port and starboard side of the aircraft. The registration of this aircraft, the American flag. United States of America, USAF on the wings, come up towards the front of the aircraft, and the 4 Pratt & Whitney turbofan engines, and up towards the cockpit, and that's it. If you guys have ever seen the Harrison Ford movie Air Force One, which was a great movie, but the thing was that Air Force One does not have an escape capsule on where the president could escape if something happens. This aircraft could survive a nuclear blast, nonetheless. And the aircraft has chaff dispensers where it can fire and throw off surface-to-air missiles at this aircraft. There are 2 Air Force Ones that are like this one. One is SAM 28,000, the other is SAM 29,000. Both aircraft are part of the 89th Airlift Wing at Andrews Air Force Base in Maryland. Alright guys, that's it for this review. I would like to say thank you very much for watching this video. This video will shortly be posted to YouTube. And like always, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time from the airport lounge, this is Captain E3E, signing off for now.